How are you?
May this be take 2 on Astro Gallery.
Yeah, okay, Kai. Only photos.
I am taking photos.
What's your name? Oh, okay, we don't know yet. We know Dennis, PJ when he was.
These are the fossils from the ancient piranha Zaphactivus,
No, Dennis.
or Diplomyces. That's new. Huh, great. There's ammonite shells, fossils. They look like heaven. These are all the gems. The last time I was here, I was rewarded one of these fossils. I still have it at home. I carry it as a perfect luck charm. Here are the fossils here. These are the Monolustia. Remind me, I have to take a picture of these. Here's the fossilized starfish. Here we have the shark's teeth and dinosaur teeth. This fossilized compound is what we call amber, and some of them have insects inside. And the last time I was here, I got myself the actual prop from Jurassic Park, as you saw in my other episodes. Alright. These are fossils from the great prehistoric hero, the dinosaur of legend, Carcharodontosaurus. These are jaws from it. And these teeth came from the great megalodon. Some of them are huge. Here's some from Albertosaurus. More Carcharodontosaurus fossils, and whoa, Spinosaurus tooth. I see it. It's huge and perfect.
So bring up, if each four are the same price, bring up four, but then I want to put it inside.
Okay, you think.
Are you picking it up?
Looking out straight up and then she goes slow. So I'm bringing up the four.
Next, we move on to the trilobites. Trilobites have been around before the dinosaurs. Well, they started off before the dinosaurs. First of all, these creatures have lived during the time of giant arthropod and sea scorpions. Orthocone probably, well, they started attacking these creatures along with sea scorpions. Trilobites are known as prehistoric legends, and to be honest, they are a great inspiration. They bring forth, they open a legacy that I never thought it was possible. These are mosasaur jaws. And mosasaurs, these guys are like taller than us. Here at Astro Gallery, we are inspired to discover and rediscover the ancient past. And this store, it reminds me of the great fossilized. It reminds me about an ancient prehistoric fish from the late Jurassic, Leadsichthys, otherwise known as Leadsichthys. That's what I like to call it. Fish fossil. Funny. Whoa. Actual mammoth hair? Amazing. Whoa. First time seeing this. Here's Mosasaurus teeth. Tusks. Whoa. Wow. Mosasaur teeth. Lots of them. Here are fossils from Mosasaur and Camarasaurus. Weird. I thought it was a Margosaurus. Here's Edmontosaur, Camarasaur, another Edmontosaur.
Amazing, right? The guy collects them all over the world.
Don't you just feel like you stepped into heaven when you see this kind of stuff? Wolfenite. This is a moment we've all been wanting to just watch.
On Wall Street, and then walk.
A bat skeleton? That's new.
I stopped at Adidas and some other store, got the store. They didn't have any women's stuff. That's my house, so now I have blisters. I look like with bracelets. Oh my God. What was that stone that you talked about? Spell it.
The back is over. I just showed him a little baby once he was.
What did you say this was?
That Buddha. You know what, you want to take a picture of that here?
Brazilian amethyst. The famous mineral. I've seen it for years.
Okay, yeah, I show you. See, that's his big deal, but I don't like that.
Which one?
See that real big one? I don't like the one.
The white one.
Oh, the one that's clear that looks like quartz?
Lapis lazuli. This. Okay, that was just. If you want to find out more about the ancient past, finding out more about ancient creatures like Stethecanthus. Seriously, guys, Stethecanthus is one of the greatest creatures of all time. I love this. I love that guy. I love that prehistoric fish.
That means you could go and get a Chanel or.
Yeah, definitely. And they will wear, well, Saxo Fifth is discounted. Saxo Fifth, where it is now, is where Daffy's, the real good one, used to be. It's on 57th Street.
The last time we were here, the other manager gave me a
Right.
fossil as a gift.
PJ, right, PJ did give you a
PJ's not a
fossil as a
manager.
gift.
It was
Yeah.
beautiful.
PJ
Yeah.
wasn't. PJ, I told you, he only worked here a couple of months.
PJ left, I
was
wasn't
the
kidding you,
manager.
Kyle.
Yeah, no, PJ just worked here. He's in, he does TV and Broadway shows
wow.
and things
Really?
like, well, he doesn't like acting anymore. He directs.
Ah.
So when he came here, it was an in-between stint. I said, boy, you make me think about it.
Well, I've created a few things based on his work here.
Oh, yeah?
Author plural.
Well, listen, he's a very nice
But the
person.
man that mommy spoke to.
Robert was the
Dennis,
manager. No,
right.
Would it be all right if I showed you some of the items that
Dennis wanted to invite
I
him
drew
to
up
see us.
that are inspiration to his work?
Yeah, was the manager. Robert very sweet. He had glasses, Robert. But PJ, like I said, he only worked here about 6 months. Not even, I don't know. But he liked to, he's an actor, he liked to perform.
Oh, jeez.
Slow down.
You want to see a picture of something neat? I'm going to show you something he just got in.
Basilosaurus, I can't believe I forgot about him.
Yeah. So I'm going to show you a picture.
One of my favorites.
Here, look at this. I took a picture of this yesterday. Okay. Yes,
Basilo.
that's the only thing, everything else is going well. Did you used to be 34th and Madison.
Beautiful.
They were there for 20
Basilosaurus
years.
is one of my favorites.
Yeah, but they've been here about 8, 9.
Is that a Spinosaurus teeth?
I'm not going to show you something Spinosaurus, but look. That just came in.
Oh my
Kyle.
God, Kyle.
It's amazing. Can I see
Take
it?
a
That's-
picture of it.
Look,
Let me take a, can I take a picture of your picture? Let me take
see?
a picture of your picture.
I took 3 angles of it. This one